Forward,
Yeah.
to rebuild the nation. Forward,
Zimbabwe, stand up.
forward,
All my
to
people
rebuild the
stand up.
nation. Forward,
If you're with me,
forward,
a new
to
democracy,
rebuild
a
the
new
nation.
government, a
Forward,
new everything, man.
forward,
Let me
to
see you
rebuild the
stand up.
nation. Forward,
Come on.
forward. It's a new epidemic. We tryna make moves. Restore the infrastructure. We tryna make do. Look at my country. People dying by the day. Victims apprehended to suppress what they say. You can't work, you can't eat. No imports, stores are empty. 100,000% inflation. See, 28 years we've been at his mercy. We gotta move forward to rebuild the nation. Forward, we living in hunger. We gotta stand up, not wonder. He's showing us no love. We gotta make changes soon. We gotta move forward to rebuild the nation. Forward. My dad was a government official, moving from continent to continental, moving from Switzerland to France to the States. This is the way we lived when it was great. My country in suffering, excessive liberation, with immigrants everywhere, just like the UK. We are running away, and we hide every day. This is the life in Zimbabwe. I'm calling for a worldwide petition to help with this mission. I'm trying to bring democracy where it don't exist, you see. Je suis, je dis, lundi jusqu'à samedi. Pour moi c'est un promotion. Regardez, we gotta move forward to rebuild the nation. Forward, Zimbabwe, we living in hunger. We gotta stand up, no wonder. Zimbabwe, showing us no love. We gotta make changes soon. Zimbabwe, we gotta move forward to rebuild the nation. Forward, Zimbabwe, we gotta move forward to rebuild the nation. Forward, Zimbabwe, we living in hunger. We gotta stand up, no wonder. Zimbabwe, showing us no love. We gotta make changes soon. Zimbabwe, we gotta move forward to rebuild the nation. Forward, Zimbabwe, we sick of all the things that we hear, oh Lord. Help us through the struggle, oh Lord. Can you give the people what they need, oh Lord? Time is up, we need a new law. C'est la vie, pourquoi, je ne sais pas. Tout le monde demandait un coup d'état. Aujourd'hui jusqu'à le matin, nous avons un cri, dis-moi plus combien. Forward to rebuild the nation. Forward, Zimbabwe, we living in hunger. We gotta stand up, no wonder. Zimbabwe, showing us no love. We gotta make changes soon. Zimbabwe, we gotta move forward to rebuild the nation. Forward, Zimbabwe, we gotta move forward.
Zimbabwe people,
We gotta move forward.
people of the world, yeah,
We gotta move forward.
State to state, yeah, we gotta
move forward.
yeah,
We gotta move
My
forward.
Zimbabwe people,
We gotta move forward.
people of the world, yeah,
We gotta move forward.
State to state, yeah, we gotta
move forward. We gotta move
put your hands up
forward.
where I can see.
We gotta
Put
move
your hands up where I can see.
We gotta move forward.
Where I can see. Put your hands up where I can see.
We gotta move forward.
Where I can see.
We gotta move
Put your hands up